Didn't really get to eat anything all day because I don't know, just like busy, but also I think it was that matcha latte, just like not have an appetite. I don't know if anyone else like goes through that when it comes to like lattes and coffees and stuff, but yeah, oh my god, I'm so hungry.
Wobbly wobbly wop, wobbly wobbly wop.
Oh my god, my bangs are always so hard to maintain because I cut them and a professional did not, so it's just a hot mess. I have to stop by my friend's event. He's celebrating an early birthday there before I go home, but yeah, time to go home.
Run away to a brighter day. Pack a bag, couple tickets, hopping on the plane. Hit a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same? Down, 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 down.
Hello, I am here on the floor. I feel like I haven't really caught up with you guys. I am just catching up with my family, spending time with them, and now getting my nails done from my sister. We have a little design in mind, so excited. I just finished baking. My friends and I are doing a post-Thanksgiving potluck today. So I made like a cinnamon bites dish. It was my first time making it. I think it turned out really well. I hope people like it. So now I have to just finish getting ready and then head out. We are supposed to meet at 6 in Long Island City. It's 4:18. My boyfriend just went to Costco to get his potluck dish. So hopefully everything will work out and we won't be too late.
have to hit it harder. You have to- How long y'all been open for?
Where are we going tonight?
We're gonna The last time that we went to Mission is when Jenn was here.
Oh, Senza.
Senza was
Yes.
here.
Yes.
And we went there to support her because
Yes.
she's a close friend and she was amazing.
Yes.
So that was a while ago.
It was, but for those who don't know Senza, she's an Asian American DJ
Yes.
based in LA right now. Has a lot of gigs going on, so I highly recommend you take a listen to her. Hello. And so last night we were having a good time and everything, but I think I might have drank too fast. So my stomach was just not feeling very well. And typically when that happens, a lot of my hangover symptoms come very quickly, like right away. I wasn't feeling well and decided to leave early, and then all my hangover symptoms came, like headache and everything like that. So ended up just drinking a lot of water and just passing out as soon as I got home. But today I still had pretty low energy, so I just video edited this vlog basically the whole day. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do for the rest of the night. Probably, I don't know, play some video games, keep it really chill because I do have to wake up early tomorrow morning to begin my veneer treatment. The veneer treatment that I'm getting is for this small tooth here. It's been a big insecurity of mine growing up because whenever I smile, there would be like a gap here. My dentist said we can do a veneer treatment over that. And so we're gonna get 3 veneers done, 1 on that tooth and 2 on my 2 front teeth. I think is to like even the spacing and the smile out. I don't know exactly the details, but tomorrow morning I'm getting my temporary veneers done. From there I will have to see whether or not I like it, and if that looks all good to go, then my second treatment will just be putting the permanent veneers on. Would love to take you with me and share my experience. It is cold, so I just finished doing my temporary ones. I don't even breathe. But my dentist said he wants to have my front teeth a little bit more straighter with my permanent ones, so we'll have to see how it turns out. I'll just need to have them until my permanent ones come in, and then we can put those on. It's really quiet here, but I decided to come into the office today. My office has a space called a focus area, but it's my first time here. I actually kind of like it because it's really quiet, so it helps me stay focused, which is really good because I get distracted really easily. And then black beans. It's raining, but you don't really feel it up here. It has like a nice cloudy view.
Alright, cool. Now you.
Oh my god. Are they not big? You're huge. How's it?
My stomach, I know the shot just let it, but like, last say they do now is like they don't get to do experiments, but they get to like say like, oh, like we know this group of people like don't smoke this group of people, like some. Who do you think you are?
Oh no.